If you want to add or change keyboard language on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we're gonna open Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down and go to Additional Settings. Then choose Languages and Input, then go to Manage Keyboards, and then choose Gboard because this is the keyboard that we use by default on this phone. Now we're gonna go to Languages, and over here if you want to add a new language, you can choose Add Keyboard, and then you can choose the language that should be added. So let's say I'm gonna choose Polish over here. You can also choose the layout, of course, and you can toggle multilingual typing if available, and we can tap on a Done in the bottom right corner. Now, if you don't need to have access to the previous language that you had so far, then you can tap on Edit in the upper right corner. You can select the language that you no longer need, and you can tap on Remove. While editing, we can also grab by these lines on the right side, and we can change the order of the keyboard, of these languages, that is. And if you want to, you can of course have multiple languages added to your keyboard. In that case, if you open your keyboard, then you should be able to find this globe icon that we can use in order to switch between all your languages. You can also press and hold your finger on the space bar in order to then decide which language you want to use. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.